private tour.
Private tour to
as
the
opposed
ocean.
to the 100 or so on the excursion, and
Yeah.
considerably less in cost.
Yeah. This is our first trip to Cabo, and everyone says the excursion you have to do is the boat ride out to the arch. It's supposed to be magnificent, and we can't wait to see it. Now, we could have booked the excursion through the ship, which actually takes you on a large catamaran with about 100 other passengers out to view the arch. And we actually will see that boat go by while we're on our private boat tour. You judge for yourself, which one would you rather do? That one costs $60 a person, and would you believe we paid $17 a piece for our trip?
I see.
Yep. That's what happens when you decide to book independently, and Cabo's a great place to do it. You can get all types of shore excursions right there at the dock, or you can book through several different websites online. There's Shore Excursion Group and Shore Excursioneer, Vallarta, lots to choose from. So that's where we went. We
Mexican
booked online
turkeys.
before our trip.
Here
we
is
go.
a good spot for snorkeling and scuba diving.
Ah,
As long as swimmers stay inside the buoys, they can play around the rock safely. Out of the buoys, boats out there.
yeah.
Got all the fishes.
We got some pampano,
Yeah.
surgeonfish, yellowtail tang, some salty tilapia, pampanos.
Yum.
Good time for dinner, huh? You hear him? Sea lion.
Sea lion, yep.
Oh. Oh, the snorkelers over there. Wow.
Sea lion on the rock? Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Working on his tan. Oh, there's more.
Big one.
Yeah, 3. 4. No, 3. 4. 5. Snap that. Look at that.
And one in the water.
Beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful. That is so cool. With the snorkelers in the water right in front of them. Yeah. Get away from my rock. They're doing pretty good.
It looks like a desert out there.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Top of the rock that we have over here around, we have a little bit of a sandstone and granite. But
Uh-huh.
what we have the most it is brown granite.
Interesting.
And this rock in front of us It is a rock formation that it looks like the shape of the map of Baja. Sit down. The Baja Peninsula. Also looks either like a wolf or a coyote howling.
Howling wolf.
So gorgeous.
Other
Over
side.
here, this is one of the famous and popular beaches that we have in town. Even it is one of our top 10 best beaches in Mexico.
Yeah.
This is Lovers Beach. Lovers Beach, it is famous because when people get off, they do have the chance to see two different water. Like right now, we are navigating in the Sea of Cortez, also
Right.
known as a Gulf of California. Walking between the rocks, all the way across, go to the Pacific
The
Ocean.
Pacific.
And Lovers Beach has a change. Lovers Beach used to be bigger. It used to be from this rock over here to the wall over there.
Wow.
What makes a change? It was a hurricane that we had a year ago,
Okay.
which it was in Cat 2. So it removed all the sand.
Yeah, I
Ah.
saw that. Yeah, remember that video we saw was out to here.
Yeah. Yeah, you're right. Yeah. Oh, look at the waterfall up here.
Yep.
What I'm going to show you next, getting close to this rock over here, there will be this little hole that it goes like a tunnel, going from here all the way across the Pacific. We call it the Pacific window. That's the Pacific window in there.
Oh, there's more sea lions over there too.
That's cool.
Yeah.
What we do with the skinny one in the
Scooby-Doo.
middle?
You in the middle, right? Got more sea lions.
Yeah.
If you want to, I can take a picture of you guys in the arches of background. You can go ahead, sit in front, and I'll take a picture of you. It is optional if you want to do with or without jacket.
Hi guys. Woohoo.
Hola, ¿cómo está?
Once again, you will see the arch. But the difference is that you see the arch and the window, both at the same time.
Oh.
Yep, that's the window that was going through. See?
Yep. There's that other boat. Yeah, yeah. pirate ship through the earth.
What I got earlier.
Oh, okay.
What I was telling you.
And that will be the other side of town. Playa Grande, Sol Mar, El Sol, Terra. How much? I don't know.
There are lots of great options for tours, shore excursions through the cruise ship or on shore once you get into Cabo. We are very pleased with our booking with Shore Excursioneer
It's an amazing
and getting
tour.
this private tour. It was
Amazing.
absolutely amazing. So if you enjoyed this video and found the information useful, or if you have any questions about this, please give us a thumbs up and comment below. And let us know what you think. And think about subscribing. We would love to have you along on our adventures. We have lots more cruising adventures, as well as camping, hiking, and adventures all over our home state of New Mexico. And we'd love to have you along. It's been a pretty exciting cruise. We have lots to talk about in some videos coming up. And we have lots more adventures here on videos coming up locally. So join us. And as I always say, get out there and hug a tree. And thanks for watching.